So to upload your product to the Google Merchant Center, the first thing you do is to navigate to the Sales Channels section and select the Google menu. In the Google Shopping page, we select the Google Merchant Product Feed. So here we are going to configure the Google Merchant Center product feed. So we go ahead and enable the status. So here is the feed URL. We can adjust and filter the categories we want to show in the store. So we can also adjust all these other options. So once we have enabled the status, we save. So after saving, we'll proceed to set up our Google Merchant Center account. So let's go ahead and open a new tab and type in Google Merchant Center. So we click on it. So here we will need to log in. You will need a Google account to proceed from here. So we click on the sign in button. We select this. So I already have an account, so I'll select this. So you can see this has opened the Google Merchant Center. So for us to add our product feed, we click on products and then select feed. So I already have an existing feed, so I'll go ahead and delete this. So to add a new feed, we click on the add button. Select our country. Can change this to any other country. So select the language, select the destination, and then click on the continue. So it says choose how to set up the feed. Here we are going to select the scheduled fetch option. Click on continue. So we add a feed name. We call this product feed. So enter the name of your feed. We call this feed link. That's the name of the file. So how frequent? We say daily. So here now we are going to add this link copy this link from the admin panel. So remember, we have to make all the necessary adjustments. We can leave all this. It says this is to remove HTML tag. We'll make sure that we have configured this. So once we are okay with the configuration, go ahead and copy this and add it. So we go ahead and create feed. So now we have added our feed. So the next thing we have to do, we go back to the admin panel, we adjust this, we can remove the categories that we need. So it says select your category will reduce the amount of options available in the category setup. So we go ahead and select the categories that we need. So we'll have to map this category to our store categories. So once we have selected, go ahead and save. So after we have saved this, we navigate to the store management section, select catalog. In the catalog page, we select categories. So we'll have to map our categories to the Google Shopping category. So we select the first category, we edit. So here we'll navigate to the data section. So you can see the Google Shopping category is now active. So we choose the category that we want to map by clicking here. Currently we have just the electronics category. So we go ahead and choose any category that we want to map to this our store category. So for example, we select this. Okay. So this will map the Google Shopping category, that's this, to our store category, dresses. So we go ahead and save. We do that for the second category. Can choose this. Okay. And save. Do that for the third category. To the data section. So we've already mapped this. Save. So we make sure that the categories are similar to our store category. So, but for this example, it's just a randomized selection I'm doing. So now that we have mapped the Google Shopping categories to our store category, the next thing we have to do is to map the product attributes. To do that, you navigate to the store management section and select catalog. In the catalog page, you select products. Okay, so we will do it for this product. Click on the edit button, and you can see that the Google Shopping tab is now active. So you select it. So we set it up. Change this to male or female. We leave this. Age group, let's say kids. You can add the color attributes. We say white, or we leave it blank, and then save. So we do it for this product. Select the Google Shopping tab. Change this to male, adult. We leave this and save. So after you have adjusted the product by mapping it to the Google Shopping attributes, we go back to the Merchant Center page, and then we click on the feed. So you can see we don't yet have any product, so we go ahead and click on the fetch button. So it's still being processed. So we wait for it to complete the product fetch process. So you can see that the process is now complete, but there are some issues with the setup. So the first thing it has alerted is that we have to verify the website URL. So this is the first issue. And the second issue is the shipping information. So, but the product has been captured. So to fix the first issue, we have to verify the website URL. So we navigate to the general settings to fix it. So here you can see we have to verify this. So to verify this option, we choose a verification type. So we copy this into, for us to verify, we copy this tag, navigate back to the store admin panel. In the store management section, we select settings. In the settings page, we select stores. So we go ahead and edit. In the general section, we add the tag in the header section and then save. So after saving, we go back to the Merchant Center, and then we go ahead and click on the verify website. So you can see it has been verified. So it's saying that the next option is to claim the website. So to do that, we click on claim website. So now we have fixed the first issue. So let us go back to the feeds. So for the second issue, so we have to specify the shipping information. So to fix this, we go back to the admin panel, navigate to the sales channel section, and select the Google menu. Here we select the Google Merchants product feed option, and then scroll down. Under the shipping rates, we add a figure and then save. So after we have configured the shipping rates, we go back to the product feed page in the Google Merchant Center account, and then we will click on the Fetch Now button. So now that the process is complete, you can see that it has imported the items, but these are only minor issues. So it's just asking for that the shipping rate specified is high, and there may be some missing sub attributes. So to view the feed properties, we can click here. So here we can download a report. So this is just an example on how. So to view all the products, we click here. So once this page opens, we can view the products that was imported. So here are all the products from the store. So they are now available in your Google Merchant Center. So this is an example on how to set up the Google Merchant Center feed, and also how to import your products to the Google Merchant Center account. Thank you for watching.